Hey guys, today I am going to be doing the Google Picks My Makeup, I guess it's like a challenge. I went ahead and I googled what my look would be and I was kind of actually really happy with the image that I got. I will go ahead and insert it on the screen. But I don't know, it reminded me a lot of my dad who passed away almost 2 years ago. He was really into like these old comics and stuff, so I was like, you know what, I have to do this video just because of the image that I got. In this image, there appears to be a lot of yellow, which is why I'm wearing a yellow shirt. Yellow, blue, and red, and then a couple of hints of other colors, but I'm going to focus on yellow, blue, and red. Those are like primary colors, so I don't know how this look is going to turn out, but I'm going to try my best. So for today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca Remix because it has pretty much all the colors that I need. And then I want to kind of incorporate this red lipstick like in my eye look somewhere. So we're going to see how that works out. I already do have all the rest of my face makeup on, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into the eyes. I went ahead and zoomed in a little bit, and I'm going to start off by taking this large brush and just like a matte cream color to just kind of apply that all over the lid so that the rest of the shadows can blend out really easily. So yellow, blue, and red, I don't even know what to do. I'm going to start off by taking like a fluffy like blending shading crease brush, I don't know what you want to call it. I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to try to build that yellow up into my crease. I am going to probably end up doing a cut crease, so if I'm getting it like on my lid, that is totally fine. If I apply like a blue in the crease as well, I think it's actually probably going to turn into like a green, and there is a little bit of green in the picture as well, so that might actually work out pretty nicely. Okay, so I have my yellow applied. Now I'm going to go in with a small like pencil brush, I guess, to apply my blue. So I'm just going to go in with this tiny little pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Synth. I'm going to go in with this blue here, and I'm going to apply that about like halfway in my crease, starting from the outer corner. There's a little bit of fallout. Okay, and now I'm going to go back in with that brush that I used to apply the yellow. I'm not going to clean it off. I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to go in and just blend this back and forth. And you can see it kind of is giving me that kind of a green look to it. So I think what I'm going to do is actually add some blue to my lower lash line as well, so I do get some of that true blue color. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more and then just blend it out the same way that I just did before. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that blue, like I said, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. So for my lid, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to kind of scribble it on there, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I'm kind of tempted to take a little bit more of the blue and just kind of, I'm going to take a darker blue actually. I'm going to go in with this blue here, and I'm going to apply that to my outer corners just to give it a little bit more depth. And it's definitely got some fallout going on, so hopefully that's not too much of an issue to get off. Okay, so now for my actual lid space, there is quite a bit of like this creamy off-white color in this magazine or comic book cover as well. So I'm just going to go in with this molder, and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid space where I applied the white. going to set it, and it's kind of going to go with the look, I guess. I'm going to overlap it with that dark blue just a little bit to blend them a little bit together. And then I'm going back in with that blue color just a little bit to, again, blend them with each other. Okay, so that's it for the eyeshadow. Now for the red, like I said, I want to go ahead and try to incorporate this red liquid lipstick, and this is the Wet n Wild Missy and Fierce. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it with my wand. I'm going to take the wand, and I gotta find like a good brush to apply liquid liner with. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild's little angled brush. I usually use this on my brows, but today it's for eyeliner, so I'm just going to take it right off the brush. If you're sharing makeup, or, you know, don't do this if this isn't all your makeup that's only for you. It's kind of gross. So I'm gonna like have to keep silent for this because it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge trying to use this really bright red as an eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably speed through this because I'm going to be taking my time. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished my eyeliner up off of camera, and it doesn't look as red as I would like, but I think it actually did turn out pretty well. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to mascara. I'm just going to curl my lashes and throw on mascara, no falsies or anything. Okay, so now I'm finished up with the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and try to keep the lips a little bit more neutral so that the focus stays on the eyes and I don't look too crazy. So I'm using the ColourPop, what is this, Ultra Matte in the shade Times Square. I just think it's a nice nude color. Okay, so here's the finished look as compared to the little image that I had. Let me know what you guys think. I actually think it turned out better than I expected it to. You get the blue, you get a little bit of green in there as well, and then the red and yellow. So yeah, I actually think that was a pretty fun challenge. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from me. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.